Join me as I continue my obsession with silicone beads. We're going to make some pens. Hey everybody, it's Colette with Blessings Craft Therapy. If you didn't know, and if you did, thanks so much for coming back. So look, I found a bead tray at Dollar Tree. Can you believe that? I did buy some pen blanks and some focal beads. You can get these on Amazon, Temu, or however you say that. But look at Dollar Tree also has silicone beads now, and they had silicone bead spacers. Not even kidding. Love it. All right, so here's the pen. How you're going to do this is you're just going to take off the very cap. It screws off. Easy peasy. And I'm using my little bead tray. I'm so excited about it. I am using a rainbow one for this one. And then this is the hardest part of doing silicone bead stuff. It's figuring out the pattern. So I did a big bead and then a spacer, then a little bead. Listen, you could do this in so many different configurations, however you want to do it. I'm preparing for a craft show, so I'm doing a bunch of these and I'm trying out a bunch of different ways. So look how cute this is. I mean, quit it. I did a little spacer on top. And then what I found works is, now this one I didn't need to, but sometimes, and you'll see as I do, I have other ones that I'm going to do, don't worry, that if you press it down, like you compress the beads together, that you can put one more spacer on and it makes it a little tighter. Anyways, I also bought some colorful pens. And here's the other thing. They also come with little replacement cartridges. So here we go. We're going to do one that is a B. Look at how cute this is. Same process. Take the lid off. And then we're going to, and again, I got this set, I think on Amazon. It could have been, again, I don't know how you say that, Temu. I don't know how you say it. But I got some off of there too. But this is what I was talking about earlier about how, see how you can put that on there. And all I'm going to do is kind of compress it. You'll see me doing it. Oh, I didn't do it on this one. Sorry. It's the next one I do. I forget. It's fine. But look at how cute. What? Adorable. And if you're curious, if you're a maker and you're selling these things, I bought these little things, baggies on Amazon. And this is how I'm packaging the pens. Look at how cute. Right? They're sparkly. Love it. All right. And again, as mentioned, all of these pens came with an extra little ink so that you could do a replacement and people feel like they're getting a good deal, which they are. It's adorable. I can't even stand how cute. Like, adorable. And then you just zip the tie on the top and then put a little sticker on the back if you want. Adorbs. Put your card in it. But look at, we're going to do one with a chicken. I mean, stop it. A chicken? Come on. Again, I got these silicone. Some of the beads I'm using are from Dollar Tree. Many of them are from Amazon or, you know, that other Chinese site, whatever. But anyways, these ones have little cow prints, like quit it. And this is a little bit of a smaller bead, but so many options with these. Again, I told you when I started this a long time ago, I made a silicone bead wristlet and now I am in it to win it now. Like, that is it. I can't stop. I love it. There's so many different ways you can do it. Anyway, so here you can see I put on a spacer and then I'm going to put that bead on top. And this is the one where I compressed it. Sorry, I always forget, but that's okay. So see how I kind of press it down a little bit and I'm holding it down with my finger and not wicked hard. We're not really pressing it hard, but just enough so that we can get it compressed so that it really holds it tight. But look how cute this is. Are you kidding me? Oh, they're so, and look at, I did one with a cow, a Highland cow. Oh, so cute. I want to keep them all. So if they don't sell, that's okay. See, that's the key to craft shows, friends. Make stuff that you really like. Just make stuff you like. And then if it doesn't sell, you're okay. Anyways, friends, thanks so much for watching. And I hope this inspires you.